Okay. So today we are going to learn. Today is the day two, and we are going to learn about agile methodology, guys. Okay. Abhishek, did you go through recording?
Yes, I've seen one. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Right. Any doubts in yesterday's class?
No, it's fine.
It's fine, right? And for you, Ganesh,
Yeah, it's fine. No issue. Yeah, no
no
doubt.
issue. Okay, right. So today we are going to learn about the agile methodology, guys. Okay. So agile methodology is one of the same methodology, like a different methodology, like waterfall. How we are using waterfall nowadays? We are using agile methodology, guys. Okay. Under agile methodology, we are having different types of frameworks. Okay. Let me write it here. Under under agile methodology, we are having different types of frameworks. Okay. I can say like, so one of the first priority I will give like a Scrum framework. Okay. Coming to the second one, Kanban. Okay. Third one, Safe. Like that, we are having APF. Fifth one, like some other frameworks also is there, but we don't require all these things. I will show you some examples of frameworks, agile frameworks. So we call it as an umbrella term. Okay. Under umbrella, we are having some frameworks, agile methodology frameworks. See here, like umbrella term will be there. Under agile, we are having different types of frameworks. We can say Scrum, Safe. So I don't know about this DSDM, Crystal, XP. Okay, I know Kanban, I know Lean, FDD. Like so many frameworks are there, guys. Okay, there are so many frameworks, but we don't need all these frameworks. Okay, we don't require all these frameworks. No one is going to ask you anything. Okay, why, Manoj? Why no one is going to ask all these things? Because whatever standards are there in market, those frameworks only we require. Okay, just consider. Okay, just consider this month is uh, April or May. Okay, just consider this month is May, May, May. What you will get seasonal fruits, guys, in May? Karthik?
This mango and all.
Absolutely. Mangoes, right?
Yeah.
So, do you like to buy grapes in mango? Sorry, grapes in May?
Depends, right?
Sorry?
Depends.
Okay, it
But
depends. But I want to know some scenario only. But in May, we are going to get mangoes, right?
yeah,
But
yeah,
after May, June, July, we will get grapes. But
yeah,
in May, we got a grapes. But
yeah,
those won't be good, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Before grapes, I mean, before 1 month before we get the grapes, that means those grapes are not good. Do you
yeah.
like to take the grapes at the time?
No.
No. What we will take? we will take
Right.
absolutely mango, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
These grapes are, we are going to call it as outdated,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
this is not a seasonal fruit.
Mm.
In rainy seasons, we will get grapes, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
In I mean from just for a season I'm saying. Okay, now in India every month we can get apples, but if you want like a seasonal fruits, I mean apples will be from now December to February, right? in
Yes.
in May month, if you get an apple, do you want to buy an apple or you want to buy a mango? Karthik, hello.
I think. Yeah. 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 Go ahead, Manoj. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, right, it depends. So, those are like a outdated ones. So, no one
Yeah.
likes to buy. Here also the same thing. Some frameworks are outdated. Okay. Now, in the
Okay.
current market, now I'm saying in the current market, we are not using these frameworks. Okay. All these frameworks. Manoj, what we are using now? We in the current market, we are having only these three frameworks, guys. Okay, we are having only these three frameworks. I will show you. See this example. Okay, this is the, can you see this? Can you see this diagram? Fragility part I'm talking about. It went to YouTube. Okay, can you see this, guys? Everyone mute, unmute yourself, and can you update me?
Yes. You can. Yeah. Yeah. You can.
Yes.
Yes.
Ganesh.
Yes.
Okay, right. See, what is the 52 percentage, guys? 52 percentage is Scrum. Okay, 52 percentage is Scrum. Okay, what is 14%? Scrum slash XP or hybrid. Where is Kanban? It is in blue. Kanban is in 3%. Right? What is this diagram, Manoj? I'm not getting. No problem. I will explain now. Okay, let me open Paint and I will explain to you now clearly. So, whatever the diagram we have seen, so I'm going to draw the same diagram here. So don't worry, guys. Here it is showing 52 percentage, Manoj. In some diagram it is showing 56. Some diagram it is showing 60. Don't worry. It is a fluctuations. Okay. It is a fluctuation. Year by year. Okay. The mangoes prices will be differ, right? Karthik?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
I mean, previous year, I have purchased a whole basket of mangoes for around 1500, like 60 mangoes. This year, I purchased at around 1800, right? That is called the fluctuation, right? The
Yeah. Yeah.
By the time period, it has been changed. Here also the same
Yeah.
thing. Whenever the agile methodology has been introduced, under agile methodology, we are having 10 frameworks. Just consider. Okay.
Yeah.
Firstly, mainly people, we are having 1,000 companies, guys. IT companies. This 1,000 is IT companies. Okay. Under 1,000 companies, this percentage, this is called 38 percentage. 38 percentage under 1,000 in the sense how much? How many companies? 38 percentage in the sense 380 companies, right?
Yeah.
380 companies are using Scrum. Okay, I'm explaining from scratch, guys. Okay, I'm explaining
No.
from scratch. If you have any doubts, unmute yourself and you can ask me. And 15 percentage, okay, like Here I will take another color. This is called Kanban, guys. What is this? This is called Kanban. Kanban is using 15 percentage. 15 percentage is in the sense around 150 companies. Okay? Around 150 companies are using Kanban. Now, if I open this diagram, okay, if I open this diagram is around 2020, 2022. Okay? What I have drawn this diagram, it is around 2017. Okay, this is for an example, guys. This is 2017 diagram. Okay, and this is 2019, because the usage of frameworks has been changed. Are you getting, guys?
Yeah, yeah, good. Yeah, Manoj.
Yes. Ganesh, are you getting?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. Abhishek? Abhishek, are you getting? Ganesh, can you mute yourself, Ganesh? Okay. Right, guys. So this is the fluctuation. So right now, in the current market, okay, now I'm saying about the current market. In the current market, we are using some frameworks that are called Scrum framework. This is Scrum, okay, at around 80 percentage. Okay, in India, I'm saying in India, 80 percentage we are using what? We are using Scrum framework, guys. We are using ultimately Scrum framework. Okay, what is the major changes? I will explain in future classes. Just try to understand these things. Okay, these framework things. Why this fluctuation is has happened? Why we are not using these another frameworks? I will explain in the future classes, guys. First, try to understand these things. Okay. Now, coming to the another framework, we are going to call it as SAFE. Okay. Now, SAFE is used at around 15 percentage in India. 15 percentage we are using SAFE, and 5 percentage we are using Kanban. Under Agile methodology, these are the most popular frameworks in 2025. Did you get it, guys? Karthik?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so
yes.
so basically you are saying 80% of Scrum you are saying, right?
Yes. Right now in the current market, we are having 80 percentages of Scrum.
Okay.
Okay. This SAFE is also Scrum only. Okay, na? This
Okay.
SAFE part is also Scrum only. But, sorry, but we are including SAFE in Scrum.
Okay.
Okay. Inside
Okay.
SAFE, we are using Scrum.
Okay.
In Scrum projects, we are doing much faster.
Okay.
Current right now, Scrum is more faster. Okay,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Now we are implementing SAFE. In future, like after 10 years, we can't see, okay, we can't see Scrum. We can see like this. After 10 years or after 5 years, we can see like this. Okay, this portion is SAFE. Okay, this portion is Scrum. Okay, after few years, we can see this portion, this red portion is SAFE. Okay, this green portion will be Scrum. Okay, guys, that is called the upgradations. Any doubts in this, Karthik?
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Understood, right? So that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the basic example I want to explain to you under Agile framework. Sorry, under Agile methodology. So under Agile methodology, they will ask you. This is one of the interview question. Okay, how many
Okay.
types of frameworks are there under Agile methodology?
Okay.
Someone joining.
So, what is the expected answer?
Sorry.
What is the expected answer for that one?
Yes, we can say under Agile methodology we are having some types of frameworks. Give me a second, guys.
Okay.
Hey, hi, Shashikant.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Sashi. Just
Yes,
now we have
I joined
started.
late. It will be
No worries, no worries.
no problem.
Just now we have started the class. Okay, I will upload the video,
Okay.
right? You can get it. Okay, whatever
Yeah,
I
thank
explained,
you.
just some basic, just 5 minutes only.
Yes,
Has been.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is also one of the interview questions. So what type of frameworks did you used in your project, or how many types of frameworks are there under Agile methodology? Okay, you don't need to worry about this question and don't need and no need to remember all these frameworks. Okay, you can say that under Agile methodology we are having different types of frameworks, right? So these are the most popular frameworks under Agile methodology. The first one is Scrum, Kanban, Safe, Scrumban, FDD, right? Lean, just 5 to 6 frameworks and many more. Okay, and under all these frameworks, Scrum, Kanban, Safe are most more popular frameworks right now in the current market. That is the answer. Okay, if you
Yeah,
ask
yeah.
anyone, any company, do you use Lean? No. Someone will say that I don't know about Lean. Do you use FDD, future driven development? No, bro, we don't know anything about FDD. Do you know anything about XP, extreme programming? No, brother, we don't know about that. Okay, what you know, brother? I know only Scrum framework, Kanban framework, only Safe framework. Okay, okay, guys, these are the things we can get it right. Now we will go into Agile methodology, guys. Let me write it here. Agile methodology. Let me write in red color. Agile methodology. Okay. So, what is Agile methodology? Why we are using Agile methodology? Yesterday, Shashikanta, yesterday, are you there in the class?
No, not available. Yes,
Sorry.
no, not available. I'm not available.
So, this is your first
I'm
class?
busy. Yes,
Shashi, I
actually,
can't able to hear you.
I'm audible, no?
Yes, yes. Now you are audible.
Yes. So I had joined on Monday for sometimes only half an hour, but I was in office, so I was unable to continue.
Okay, okay. You
And
said you are in a traveling,
yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. No problem, Shashi. I have
Yeah.
uploaded the videos in the YouTube channel. You can go
Okay,
through. You can go through the it, and I have shared in the here. This is the YouTube link. So this is the yesterday's class. Okay, yesterday day one
okay,
introduction class. Okay, and I explained about day one and about the waterfall methodology clear cutly. Okay,
okay.
end to
Yes,
end. No worries. Tomorrow, just listen
sure.
the class, and if you have any doubts, I will explain it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, let me give you the
Yes.
channel link, and I'm creating a playlist. Okay, so
Okay.
this is October, right? I'm creating Scrum Master October batch 2025. Under this
Okay.
channel, you can find these things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't. The first thing is don't call sir. Okay.
I said sure.
Sure, sure. Okay, okay. Right, right, right. No problem. In
Actually,
IT, in IT,
I
we don't call
belong.
sir.
Yes, yes, I know. I'm already working in IT, so I know.
Okay, okay, okay.
And
Yes, yes.
Hey,
actually,
Bharat, you are from like which company you are?
No, guys. We shouldn't not say about this. Still, I'm working. My company policy is I should not say anything. I mean, I should not
Okay.
teach. Okay, but it's just like a side hustle. For that security purpose, I'm not saying. But I'm working in MNC company, uh, one of the leading company as well. I can say that in my company, more than 75,000 people are there.
Okay.
okay.
Okay, all over the world. Okay, we
Okay.
have US,
Okay.
UK, and Saudi, almost more than 70 plus countries. We have the projects we are dealing with.
Okay.
Okay, Karthik.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, okay.
I asked just like that. Yeah, thanks.
No, no, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
See, some people might have anxiety, right, to know about the tutor as well, right?
No, no, I was asking in the just normal way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because see, I'm going to upload the videos from this batch in YouTube. Previously, I have like a 5 years of teaching experience. I teach many people. Okay, many people settled
Mm.
also. Okay, they have transformed from non-IT to IT, right? The people have some career gaps, right? They have transformed also. Some people working in a development, some people worked in testing, right? They switched their career from testing field to this management roles also, right? Based upon this training and whatever
Yeah.
the materials we have given and whatever the things we are doing in Jira properly, everything is real time. Okay, based on that we
Okay.
can easily grasp it. Okay, and my
Okay.
typing is going to be from scratch. Okay,
Okay.
we are not skipping anything, guys. Okay, it might take more
Mm.
than 30 plus days also. No problem in that. If you don't understand,
Okay.
I will explain it again. So that is the thing we are following here. That is
Mm.
the reason I'm going to ask each and every person, did you get it or not? Do you want me to explain
Yeah, yeah.
again or not? Okay, so that is the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, right. No problem in that.
Okay.
If you have any doubts, you can ask it. Okay,
Okay.
right. Coming to the agile methodology, under agile methodology, we are having a framework called Scrum framework. Okay, my question
Mm.
is, if you give a slate pencil and a slate, okay, slate, okay, this is slate, right, and this is slate pencil, right? If you give slate and slate pencil to a 1 year or 2 year kids, what they will draw? They will draw like this diagrams, right? Some small small things, right?
Yeah.
And I will say that that is agile methodology, sorry, Scrum framework. Okay, this diagram is called as Scrum framework, but we need some improvisations. Okay, we need to add some improvisations. So, Manoj, how you are saying that? Let me show you a diagram. And one more thing, guys, in my training, I'm not going to show any uh, PPTs, right? I'm not going to show any PPTs. I will explain everything in a real time way. Okay, you can see here,
Mm.
guys, how it is, right? Are you getting it, guys? Karthik, Ganesh,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Manoj.
Abhishek, right? So, this is the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram for Scrum. Okay, now I will explain in an easy way to understand. Okay, now I will draw like this. Okay. Now, if we want to start a project, okay, if anyone, not me, anyone want to start a project, what we need, guys? We need some requirements, right? If
Yes.
you
Yes.
if you
Yes.
want to eat something, what you need? You need food, right? In your plate, what you need? You need rice, you need curd, you need curry, right? You need a fry, you need some snack like a chips or anything. Okay, side dish. You need some water. Am I right or wrong? You need some sambar. You need some what we can say uh, rasam. Am I right or wrong? Here also, to build a project, we need some requirement, guys. Requirements are nothing but we call them as tickets. Okay, the project requirements we are going to call it as tickets. Manoj, we are not understanding about the tickets. No problem. In Jira part we will know end to end, guys. I will make you to learn Jira from end to end. See here, I have already created projects, but whenever we are going to start a new project, I will write, I will create a new project and I will write in front of you the whole tickets. Okay, I will write it and I will show to you and I will make you to create these things as well. Okay, each and everything from scratch. Okay, right. To create a project, we need some requirements. Now we will go to some real time examples. So, anyone is having own house, guys? Anyone is living in own house? Karthik?
Yeah, I have one house, but living in rented house right now.
Okay, right. You have a property, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You have a property, right? In future, you want to build a house.
Okay.
Okay, what you need?
We need a money. Mainly.
Okay, okay. You know, ultimately, we need money, right? Okay, we have money to build a house. What we need? We need some requirements, right?
Uh,
That is
yeah.
called raw material,
Yes,
cement,
raw
right?
cement, bricks.
Bricks, stone, right? And iron, the main thing, iron, right? And some other stuffs. Okay, if you want, I mean, what we can say, duplex house, like some materials will be there, right? All these things are called as raw materials. Those are called what? Requirements, right? Here also, to build a project, we need some requirements. Okay, we need some requirements. Those requirements will be brought to the organization by product owner. Okay, product owner will bring the requirements from clients. Okay, coming to agile methodology, here we are introducing two roles. Okay, in waterfall methodology we have these roles, right? Coming to agile methodology, we are having two more roles, different. That is called, the first one is product owner, second one is scrum master. Okay, Manoj, you are saying scrum master. Before agile methodology, do we have a scrum master or product owner? No, guys, we don't have product owner or scrum master. In agile methodology only, these two roles has been introduced. Okay, for better performance. Okay, guys, simple example I will give you. In your house, you have two bulbs. Okay, light bulbs. Okay, The first bulb contains 1 watts. The second bulb contains 100 watts. Which bulb will be more brighter, guys, if you keep it in a holder? Abhishek?
100 watts.
100-watt bulbs. A 100 watts bulb gives more light. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Here also the same thing. Here we have introduced agile, under agile methodology, we have introduced these two roles to have a better performance. Okay? And remaining roles are same. But in here also we are removing some roles. Okay? We don't have project manager and we don't have business analyst. And manager also. These three roles we don't have. Are Manoj, what are you saying? Huh? Without manager, can we deal a project? No. But under agile methodology, we don't have manager. The ultimately, whatever the project we are maintaining, that is going to take care of manager only. But he is not involving in this. Okay? He is not involving in this. The involvement will be these guys only. Number 3 is project manager. Okay? Number 4 is developer. Number 5 is tester. We can call him as QA, quality analyst. Okay? Number 6, we have DevOps guys. But sometimes DevOps will be our end, in the sense in our organization. Sometimes DevOps will be in client end. I will explain about this role in future. Okay? Now, I'm sorry, I forgot one role. Project manager, sorry, remove project manager, and we are having system architect. Okay? We are having system architect. Okay, guys? These are the roles we can find in agile methodology. Okay? Now, same thing, guys. Now the requirements in waterfall methodology, who is writing the requirements, guys?
Business
Karthik. Sorry, Karthik is not there, right? Who is there yesterday? Abhishek. Who is writing the requirements?
business analyst.
Business analyst, right?
Yes.
Business analyst is writing the requirements in waterfall methodology. But here requirements will be written by the product owner.
Okay. And the
Okay?
BRD document, it is the business analyst is writing, or it comes from the client.
Which one?
The BRD document.
BOD document.
Mhm.
Yes, initially BOD document will be given by the business analyst only in waterfall.
Mhm.
Okay, but here the BOD will be written by the client's end.
Yeah.
Who writes those requirements? We don't require. Okay, ultimately what we need is we require FRD.
Yeah.
Okay, in agile methodology we require FRD.
Yeah.
Okay, based upon this FRD, functional requirement documentation, we are working. Okay, in
Mhm.
a sprint wise. I will explain those things. Okay, if time permits. Okay, it's almost 9:30. I will explain another 20 minutes about the basics. Tomorrow we can know all the things. Okay, guys. Here the product owner is going to monitor us. Whatever the work is doing, or whatever the work, any doubts, if the person is having, he is going to take care of from the client end. What is Scrum Master is doing here? Scrum Master is making sure that whatever the product they are developing, are they completing on time or not. He is like a supervisor. Okay, he is like a supervisor. Do you guys know DMarts or any mart, any
Yes, yes,
marts, like a big marts, big marts, right?
yes.
What we are going to do in big marts? We are going to have um, a lot of people working under ground floor. Okay, only one supervisor will be there. What is that supervisor will do? He is going to monitor all the persons who is working, right? He is making sure that all the people are working or not. Okay, he is going to make sure that each and every person is working or not. That is the main thing is going to take care by the supervisor. Here in IT industry, Scrum Master is a supervisor. Okay, Scrum Master will make sure each and every developer and tester are working on time or not. Okay, did you understood? Karthik, Ganesh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? Okay, so that is the major roles has been introduced in Agile methodology. Now, who is bringing the requirements, guys? Here,
Owner,
Project
product
made.
owner,
product
right?
owner.
Project owner
Yes,
volunteers.
right. Where product owner is keeping these requirements, that is called backlog. That is nothing but product backlog. What is this? This is requirements of the product, right? We need to store something. That storage is called as product backlog. That name we are going to call it as product, product. Okay, product backlog. This is called product backlog. Previously, what I said, in waterfall methodology, if we have 100% requirements only, we are starting the project. Am I right or wrong, Ganesh? Abhishek?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? Now, what about here? Do we need 100%?
No,
Okay, no. How much we need?
that must possible.
Sorry?
Like the task can be broken down small pieces, whatever is
Yeah,
needed.
yeah, that is going to be broken down ultimately in the planning meetings, right?
Yes, yes.
But now, to start a project, how much we need initially? Okay, just consider to complete a project, we are having 1,000 requirements. To complete a whole project, we are having 1,000 requirements. Now, to start a project, how much we can need? Just if we have 100 requirements, that is like a 10 percentage. If we have a 10 percentage of backlog also, we can start the project. Okay, now you can have it out. Manoj, you said that yesterday all the requirements should be taken care by the business analyst. If we have, if anything needs to be added, that is going to be a very big mess, right? Right, Ganesh? Yesterday I said the same thing, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But here we are encouraging the mid changes. Okay, we are encouraging the mid changes. How, Manoj? How in the sense? Let me show you here. So this is the, yes, this is the second thing I have explained to another person. See here, what we are doing in this, we are welcoming changing requirements. Okay, we are welcoming the changing requirements even in the late development. Okay, this is day 5 or day 6 class, guys. Okay, this is day 6 class, but before that we need to understand these requirements. Okay, before we need to understand about the agile methodology, then only we can understand that class. Okay, so that is the main reason I'm explaining from scratch. Okay, if we have 10 percentage, if we have 10 percentage of project work, we can start the project. And if we need mid changes also, we are accepting those. Okay, now just in case we are developing a login page. Okay, now the product owner came and saying that we need to add some more features in this. Yes, we are definitely accepting those. Okay, that is the main important key point in agile methodology. Okay, if we have 10 percentage, we can add it, right? Okay, Manoj, we have 10 percentage, okay, or 50 percentage or 60 percentage. How much we are having? We are accepting those. Okay, just consider we are having 50 percentage here. 50 percentages of project requirements are there. Now, what we are doing? What is the next step? Now, what we are doing? We need to work, guys. Okay, we need to work. Now, we need to work, right? Now, what we are doing to work? To work, we are going to have another backlog that is called sprint backlog. That is called sprint backlog. If we want to work, we need to pick some items. We need to pick some items from product backlog to sprint backlog, guys. Okay, we need to pick some items. Just consider here we are having 500 tickets. Can we work 500 tickets? Can we pick 500 tickets and can we work on here? Abhishek?
No.
No. Agile methodology is a sprint way. We are working in a sprint. Okay, I will explain just few more
Manoj,
minutes.
I
Ah,
have one question.
yes, yes.
What is the difference between tickets and sprints?
Ticket and
Sprints.
sprint. Sprint
Yeah,
is a length, guys. Okay, this is
okay.
called the sprint here. Okay, sprint is a time duration. Okay, if we pick some items from product backlog to sprint backlog, okay, we need to work on that. That is called time period. Just for an example, I will give you. uh, Okay, you play cricket? Who asked it out?
Me,
Me in the
Shashikant.
sense? Sorry?
Shashikant.
Oh, okay, Seshan. Okay, Seshi, you play cricket?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, sometimes. Okay, okay, you know cricket, right?
Yes.
Yes. What is the time duration of a test match?
Five
How
days.
many days? Sorry?
Hello. 5 days.
5 days. Okay.
Yes.
What is the time duration of a one day match?
1 days.
1 day. What about T20?
One
Time,
day.
time. I need time.
Time 4 hours.
I mean,
You
like a
can
three,
say.
2.5 hours or 3 hours for one
Yes.
side,
Yes.
right? And totally
Yes.
6 hours for T20,
Yes.
right? What about the one day time? 6 hours, 6 hours,
Uh,
around 12
six.
hours,
Yes. 12 hours.
right? What about the time duration for a test match for one day?
Uh, five.
Hardly
60 is.
hardly 9 to 10 hours, right? Morning,
Yes.
if we
So.
play for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., right?
Mhm.
9 to
Yes.
10 hours. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
If the event is changing, the time also is
Mhm.
changing, right?
Yes.
Here, this duration, okay, is called as a sprint.
Okay.
Okay, in sprint, what we are doing? Ultimately, we are playing, right?
Yes.
But every event, okay, for T20 event, how many balls we are playing, guys? We are playing 240 balls for both sides.
Okay.
20 overs, 20 into 6, 120, right? 22s, 40, 40 into 6, 240 balls, right?
Yes.
What about the one day? 600 balls,
Yes.
right? What about the test match? 90 into 5, 450 balls. Sorry, 90 overs, right? 90 overs in the
Yes.
sense
9 to
600 plus, sorry,
540 pounds.
yeah, 540. Huh? Okay, that is
Yes.
around 2500 plus 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, around 2700 balls. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
That is called it, duration. Okay.
Yes.
Under this process, this sprint is considering as an event. Okay.
Okay.
Your doubt is clarified, or do you want me to explain any other?
No, it's good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I will explain further step. I will explain the same thing. Okay.
Yes, might I have missed class yesterday? So
No. I didn't explain that. Okay.
okay,
I
okay.
didn't explain about that. Okay.
Yes, and Manoj, you can skip my question also if you have covered already.
Sorry.
You can skip my questions if you have covered
No
already
problem.
yesterday.
No problem. No need to skip. No need to
Yeah.
skip. Okay. You have some doubt. From my mouth, you got it like a sprint. Okay. But
Yes.
I need to say about the sprint. But before saying about the time zone, we are working in a sprint. That has to be explained, right? So that
Okay.
is the reason you got it out. Okay. No
Yes.
problem in that. Okay. What we are doing, guys, if we want to work, okay, in organization, we are working, right? If we want to work in the organization, what we are doing in agile methodology, we are picking some items from the product backlog, guys. We are picking some items. How we are picking? That is like a lot of meetings will be there. Okay, I will explain all those things in further classes, not now. Just this is like a demo. I mean, demo way. Initial way of explanation. In further classes, I will explain each and every step because we need to learn some more things. That is going to be in future classes. In a one class or two classes, we can't understand this agile methodology, guys. We need to learn it at around 4 to 5 hours, right? I can't explain 4 to 5 hours in one day. So that's the reason we will go slowly. Okay, we are picking. How many tickets we are picking? At around 10 tickets. Okay, at around 10 tickets we have picked from product backlog to sprint backlog. Now we have picked the sprint backlog. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to work. We have to work in a hourly basis. In organization, how we are doing? We are working in a hourly basis. This is called sprint, guys. Sprint is nothing but the duration of work we are doing. Okay, the first one is product backlog, second one is sprint backlog. Okay, what we are doing? We are working in a sprint way. That sprint is called as a time duration. Okay, how much time duration? That is nothing but 24 hours. How many hours are there in a day, Ganesh?
24 hours.
24 hours, right? Do we have 25?
Yeah. No, one day
Yeah.
is 24.
Okay, every day is 24, right? How
Correct.
many hours we are working in the organization? 24 hours?
No, 8 hours.
8 hours or 9 hours? Don't say 8,
Okay.
yeah. Okay,
Nine,
9 hours.
9 hours. More than 9 hours.
Don't say 8. Okay, 9 hours. 9 or 10. 9 plus 1 also. Okay, I
Correct.
usually work for like 11 hours
Correct.
sometimes based upon the things. Okay, ultimately the shift will be 9 hours. Okay, this is called the sprint. In sprint, what we are doing? We are doing in a time duration. Okay, okay, Manoj. In how many days we are working this sprint backlog in a sprint? In agile methodology, sprint is considered as, okay, let me write it here. In agile methodology, is sprint is considered as 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. What's next, Karthik?
5 week, right?
Yes, but in agile methodology, we don't have 5 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, in agile methodology, we don't have 5 weeks. This is also one of the interview question we'll ask in the interview. Okay, how
Okay.
many weeks are there in a sprint? Someone will say that if they don't have a knowledge, um, they will say some answer. They will find it out and they will ask you. Okay, what if we work in a 5 weeks of sprint? Then we have to say that under agile methodology we don't have 5 weeks. If that is a 5 weeks, then it is going to be a custom. Okay.
What is it? What is it? Can you come back once again?
Yes, if you are working under 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, okay, this is called agile methodology. In agile methodology under Scrum framework, we work in this sprints. Okay, if we have fifth week, if anyone says
Okay.
that fifth week, that is not a Scrum framework. Okay,
Okay.
that is a custom.
Okay.
CUSTOM.
No, that means what you are saying in the Scrum, as per the sprint, it is only work for only 4 weeks. If it is
Yes.
more than 4 weeks, 5 weeks means it is goes to custom framework, right?
No, not a custom framework. That is
Hmm.
not a Scrum framework.
Okay. Okay. I
Okay.
understood. Okay.
Okay. Did you get it, or do you want me to explain again? Hello.
I understood.
Okay. Right. Right. So under agile methodology, we are having 4 weeks. Okay. What these 4 weeks? Okay. Now I have taken how many tickets, guys? Here, how many tickets?
10.
10. Very good. Remember those 10 tickets. Now, what I have to do, I have to pick, who the development team and testing team. They have to work under this process. Okay. Who is going to decide we have to work in this four? In this four, in which period, in which time period we have to work? That is decided by the product owner. Okay. Product owner will give the time period. Okay, based upon the requirements. How many requirements are there? In how many years we have contract? In how many years we can complete all these things? Based upon that, product owner is going to decide. Okay, we are going to work for 4 weeks. Okay, under 4 weeks, we have to complete 10 tickets. Okay,
Okay.
like that. Someone will say that because 10 tickets are less tickets only, guys. 10 tickets are less tickets. For this 10 tickets or less than 10 tickets, we can complete in 1 week. Okay, that is also depends upon team size. How many members are there in our team? Okay, to work on a project, we need to have a team, right? We need to have a development team and testing team, right?
Yes.
Right. For that, we are deciding some team members and we are working. Manoj, can you say the team size? No, not now, not required now. Just understand these things. Okay, I will explain about those things later, and that this is a very huge topic. Okay, now universal sprint size is 2 weeks. Every company will follow 2 weeks. Okay, Manoj, is that a fixed one? No, depends. Now in my current project I am working 3 weeks, guys. Okay, in my current project right now I was working with UK project. My UK project timings will be, sprint size will be 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, in 3 weeks, we are going to complete these 10 tickets. Okay, did you understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Now here in
Okay.
here we are having 3 weeks. Okay, guys, we are having 3 weeks. Now every day 9 hours we are working, right? after completing 3 weeks, okay, what we are doing, the project, I mean, whatever the 10 tickets is completed, we are going to deliver. Okay, we are going to deliver. That is called review. Up to now, what we have done? We have done the some product, right, guys? This is product, right? Product tickets. This product tickets we are going to review. Okay, who is going to review? Product owner, some client members like stakeholders. We are going to call as stakeholders. Stakeholders and product owner, everyone will come to this meeting, and this meeting we are going to showcase the product. That is called sprint review. I will write it here. Sprint review. Okay, after completing the sprint review, what they will do, if they like, if the client likes whatever the work we have done, we are moving for the next stage. If client doesn't like, if the client didn't like the eighth ticket, what we are doing now, we are moving that ticket back to the backlog, product backlog. Okay, and again what we are doing, this ticket we are picking in the next sprint. Now this is sprint 1. Okay, sprint 1 duration is how much? 3 weeks. In 3 weeks we have completed 10 tickets. In 10 tickets, one ticket not developed correctly. What we have done, we have moved back the ticket to the product backlog. Okay, next what we are doing, guys, we are picking that ticket in the next sprint. Okay, now another question, Manoj, do we need to develop from the first that ticket? No. Okay, we have already developed that ticket. Whatever the changes are there, just do the changes. Okay, did you understood, guys, up to here?
Manoj, I want one thing. Okay,
Yes.
this product backlog and sprint backlog.
Mhm.
So that product backlog and the sprint backlog comes into, if the number of tickets are more, then that sprint backlog comes into the picture, right?
No, 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 guys. No, not like that. See, if this product backlog, okay,
Yes.
I mean, you know cricket, right?
Suppose what you
Uh,
said in the, if it is a 1,000 tickets, okay,
mhm.
if the tickets are more, then that some of the 10 tickets or 15 tickets is moved to sprint backlog, correct?
No, you are understanding in a wrong way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we have some tickets. Just consider 1,000 tickets are there.
Okay.
Okay, now what we are doing? We need to. Okay, I will explain this thing. Golgappa is there, na? Pani puri.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in a bag we have 1,000 pani puris are there. Okay, who is asking this doubt?
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh. Can you eat?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
you can go ahead. Yeah, yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, Manoj,
Okay,
go ahead. Yeah, yeah. We are listening
okay,
to
okay,
you.
okay. There are 1,000 pani puris in one bag. Okay, Ganesh, can you eat whole 1,000 pani puris at a time?
No.
No. How you will eat? Today you will eat 10. Tomorrow you
Correct.
will eat 10. Right?
Correct.
Here also the same thing. In product backlog, to
Mm.
complete a project, our project is Amazon. Okay?
Okay.
Our
Okay.
project is Amazon. I forgot to
Uh,
write the name of the project name.
okay. Okay.
To complete Amazon, we required 1,000 tickets. Okay? What we are doing? We are picking from 1,000. From 1,000 tickets, what we are doing? Initially, we are working on 10 tickets. Okay? That 10 tickets moved to sprint backlog. Okay? Now we have completed the 10 tickets. How many tickets will be there here?
1,000.
Why 1,000, dude? 990.
Okay, after completing, yes, 990,
Yes.
yes.
After, see, now I haven't completed. Okay, 10 tickets are here. How many tickets will be there in here? Product backlog
990.
990, right? If you complete, if you don't complete, okay, if you complete the pani puri or don't complete the, if you didn't complete the pani puri, it doesn't require from the 1,000 bag, okay, the pani puri, in a bag of 1,000 pani puris are there. You pick something, 10 pani puris in a plate. If you ate it or if you don't ate it, okay, if you count pani puris in a bag, how much will be there? 990, right?
Yes.
Right? After completing 10 pani puri, ultimately you will get 990. Okay? Because you have completed. Now what I'm saying is you filled with 9 pani puri. Okay? You ate 9 pani puri and one pani puri you can't able to eat it. What you will do? You will kept it here in product backlog. Okay? Now how many will be there? 991.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Ultimately, to complete an Amazon project, how we are doing? We are going to pick some items from the product backlog. We are completing in sprint backlog in a time duration that is going to call it as sprint. After completing the sprint, we are showcasing the product to the clients. Okay. If client says okay, we are moving it to the next phase that is called product increment. I will explain these things in next class. Okay, did you understood guys up to here?
Yes. Now I understood. Yes.
Okay, no worries. See, if you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, guys, up to here, did you did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That means that product backlog is the Amazon. He is the client owner, right?
Yes,
He
not
is the client owner.
client requirements.
Client requirements. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Owner or requirements. Okay. This
Okay,
sprint backlog is for whether we can say as a developer as well as tester.
are working on some tickets.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell you another example. Okay,
Huh.
do you? DMart will be there, right? Marts,
Correct.
shopping marts, grocery. Okay,
Okay.
what is that called? That is a product backlog. N
Okay.
number of items will be there, right?
Correct.
What you will do? You will buy all the things.
No. No. Okay.
Whatever you required, you will buy it, right?
Okay.
In that
Okay.
in that mart, there are 1,000 items.
Correct.
You picked 10 items for your house. Okay.
Okay.
Now, in that 10 items, what you did, you
Okay.
purchased a shirt for yourself and you didn't wear it. You didn't have a
Hmm.
trial. Okay.
Okay.
You went home and you made a trial. Okay. Your body size is double XL and you picked XL. Now, what you
Hmm.
will do? You didn't feel comfort. Okay. Now you are taking from that 10, you are giving back to the shopping mart. Right?
Correct.
That is the same thing here.
Okay. Okay. Clear. Clear.
Ultimately, after 10 years also, in the shopping mart, all the products will be there only. Okay. But in IT industry, it has to be reduced.
Correct.
Okay. Right. After sprint review, something will be there. After sprint review, we have another meeting that is called sprint retrospective, guys. Okay. Sprint retrospective. Okay, Manoj, please, we can't able to remember this. No problem. Okay, I will make you to read these things again. Okay, I will make you to by heart all these things. Okay, guys, no need to worry about this. Just understand the process. That's it. Manoj, tomorrow class, if I ask what is the first one, Manoj, I didn't remember. No problem. Just say there is a box. Okay, I didn't remember about the box, Manoj. From the first box, we picked some items to the second box. In that second box, we are working something in a time period, and I forgot the name. Okay, sprint or something is there. I forgot the name. That is of 3 weeks. Okay, after completing the 3 weeks, we moved some tickets to another box. There, someone came and asked about it, and if they like, they move to another box. Okay, if they don't like it, whatever the ticket they don't like it, or whatever the golgappa they don't like it, they kept in the first box. Okay, remaining 10 golgappa they have eaten. It's good for me. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, guys.
Guys, can you hear the class? I can barely hear the class. Your voice is very low.
My voice.
Yes.
No, it's good. You can hear properly.
Oh,
Huh?
what about Karthik?
I can hear properly. Actually.
I can't hear anyone's voice here.
uh might be, can you, why?
Really.
Might be some problem. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay. Did you understand, guys?
Yes.
Any doubts, Karthik? Karthik, up to now, do you have any doubts?
No, no, for no, no doubts. Are you giving any study materials or something like that?
Absolutely. I will give in further classes, not now. Okay? Not now,
Oh,
Karthik.
oh,
Because if I give materials now, what the guys will do now, people will do, they will focus on that. They won't listen the class.
okay,
Okay?
okay,
My ultimate goal is they have to understand the process. Okay?
okay.
Reading the material is very simple. Okay. If
Yeah.
you ask me, no need to read the material also. If you listen the class, that is more than enough. Okay.
Okay.
Ultimately, I will give you the materials. Okay. I have prepared the real time scenario questions, and I have
One
all the.
thing, Manoj, I want to tell you.
Yes. Yes.
Manoj,
Yes.
one thing, one last thing for you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, the difference between the Scrum Master and Project Manager.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
want
Do
to
you want to know
understand the
the?
difference.
Yes. You want to know the difference, right? So,
Yeah,
yes. One thing. There is a project of Amazon, right? Do you
yeah.
think 10 people can complete the whole project of Amazon,
Um,
Karthik?
Not sure. I don't think so.
Okay, how many people do you think? Let me guess, no
Uh,
problem in that. No worries.
Many people, we need to find the size of the project, right?
Sorry, we need to find.
Size, size of the project.
Yes, size of the project. Okay, so just consider 500 people. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
under me, under Scrum Master, we are having less than 10 people. Okay,
Okay.
I am maintaining, just consider, as a Scrum Master, we are maintaining 20 people. Okay, now
Okay.
coming to project manager. Now the project manager is maintaining. We are having 4 to 5 project managers. Okay, these 4 to 5 project managers will be taking care of. One project manager is taking care of 125, 120 like that. Okay, who are the
Okay.
people who are
Okay.
working on that module? Do you know anything about module?
One particular area we can say,
Yes,
right?
one particular area, right? In
Okay. Yeah.
um, right, Amazon login page is a module, right?
Yeah.
This is the home page, right? Home page is a module,
Okay.
right? This mobiles
Okay.
is a module, right? Some people work on these type of
Yeah.
modules, right? Some project managers will be assigned to some modules, right? These 125
Okay.
people will work on these modules. Now this project manager is responsible for, just consider 25 modules are there. Okay.
Okay.
Now this project manager is responsible for all the 25 modules. Now coming to the Scrum
Okay.
Master. Under Scrum Master, we are having 20 people. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this 20 people is working on 3 modules. Now, Scrum Master
Okay.
is responsible for these 3 modules and this development team and testing team. Now you get it, Karthik?
Okay. Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Yes, no problem. Any
So
silly doubt?
basic, basically, you're trying to say that Scrum Master is under a project manager.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Ultimately,
No, no, Manoj, Scrum Master is works under project manager. No, na.
see, he is not working under Scrum Master. I mean, Scrum Master is not working under project manager.
Correct.
Okay. What is my way of saying is, we have a project, right? The
Okay.
whole project is not going to take care of Scrum Master.
Okay.
To take care of a project, we need some managers, project managers. What these
Okay.
project managers will do, if there is any changes or anything needs to be added or anything needs to be removed, all these things can't take care by the Scrum Master. Who will take care all these things? Project managers. Okay. If anything is adding, Scrum Master is not responsible. Who is responsible?
Mm.
First, the client will have some permissions. We have some permissions in organizations, right? We are calling it as agreements. We have to done some
Okay.
agreements. Based upon these agreements, these project managers will agree upon, and based on that, we are going to get some documentations that are
Okay.
called FRD documentations. Whatever the
Okay.
documentations we get it, we are going to work on that documentation. Okay.
Okay.
Let me, Manoj, let me explain them clearly.
Yeah, sure.
See, buddy, pro- project manager purely concentrates on billing part, financial part, he will concentrate. But the Scrum Master will concentrate on the deliverables of the product or the module which we are working.
Okay.
Okay, major thing. And the project manager will decide on the project plan.
Okay.
He will have the concentration on the project plan, but the Scrum Master will have concentration on the sprint plan,
Okay.
on the module which they are working. Sprint is nothing but a time frame of work where where his team works to complete the given task.
Okay.
That is, so project